Term 3, Week 8, long O sound. Fill the space. I enjoy spending time alone. A doe ran out in front of our car. A doe is a small deer. That old tree is hollow inside. My brother broke a bone in his leg. My mother buys a lot of frozen meals. My brother wanted me to loan him money. I put the leftover cookie dough in the fridge. I am learning to write computer code. I ate a baked potato for dinner. Joe watched an insect float in a puddle. Okay, it's a bit tricky, but let's do it. We'll be right. Okay. I enjoy spending time alone. Alone. A-L-O-N-E. Alone. Number 2. A doe ran out in front of our car. Doe, a baby deer. D-O-E, doe. Number 3. That old tree is hollow inside. Hollow. Hollow. H-O-L-L-O-W. Number 4. My brother broke a bone in his leg. Bone. B-O-N-E. Bone. Number 5. My mother buys a lot of frozen meals. Frozen. F-R-O-Z-E-N. Frozen. Number 6. My brother wanted me to loan him money. Loan. L-O-A-N. Loan. Seven. I put the leftover cookie dough in the fridge. Dough. D-O-U-G-H. Dough. Number 8. I am learning to write computer code. Code. C-O-D-E. Code. I ate a baked potato for dinner. Here it is, up here. Potato. Potato. And number 10. Joe watched an insect float in a puddle. Float. F-L-O-A-T. Float. So there are two words here that sound the same. Dough and dough. They do sound the same, but they have different meanings and they are spelt differently. So a dough ran out in front of a car is this dough. And I put the leftover cookie dough, which is D-O-U-G-H, in the fridge. Tricky, but oh well. Well done. Goodbye.